So guys, hearing even more anime came out the ChatGPT 3.5 and in today's video of ChatGPT 3.5 series, I'm telling you about the what are few short promoting. What are few short prompting in today's video. I'm telling you about the CD video. Stay tuned and please do not forget to like this video, share friends and subscribe to my channel and do not forget to all the notification bell also number server and future latest videos about the generative AI. So without taking any time, let's move to computer screen and let's learn about what are few short prompting in the generative AI we are learning about. So let's move to computer screen and let's do a coding with dropping it. So guys, here you see it from Horami came out the generative AI. And in today's generative AI video, I'm telling about the generative AI in the ChatGPT 3.5 what a few short prompting. So yeah, we are learning about it. So let's get started without wasting any time and learn about in the ChatGPT 3.5 what a few short prompting. So let's start. ChatGPT 3.5 few short prompting. Use a few explicit examples for our search to guide the AI to respond in the specific way. This is called a few short prompting. Okay. Few short prompting is helpful when you want to respond to a response to be structured in the specific way. This is one example. It is with the following prompt. Like this type of one following prompt I wrote it. Here you can see it. The response from ChatGPT 3.5 could look like this. Now, let me read all this prompt. So, first of all, let me copy it and let me go on my ChatGPT 3.5. And I have already told you that how to make an account in ChatGPT 3.5 and how to write a prompt in the ChatGPT 3.5. I have already told you that. So, this type of things I wrote here a conversion between, here I write like a conversion between K, the author of the GPT 3.5 tutorial, and the student. Why should I learn about prompt engineering? K. Because generative AI can really boost your productivity if you use correctly, and knowing how to write prompt correctly is the key to helping you use the generative AIs. Now, this type of I have wrote it. Now, let me read more. Student, what will I learn from this tutorial? K. This tutorial gives the step-by-step guides on how to write AI prompt to get the best possible results from ChatGPT 3.5. You will learn to understand ChatGPT 3.5 capabilities and write prompts that minimize misinformation and bias results. Student, that sounds interesting. Can you give me an example of how prompt engineering can be used in real-world applications? K. Prompt engineering can be used in wide range of applications such as content creation, customer service, even scientific research. For example, let's say you are running a content, creation of platform and want to generate engaging articles, titles for your writer. Use the prompt engineering techniques. You can write prompts that will help create an article titles that are attention grabbing and relevant to your readers. Another example is using the generative AI to answer the customer service inquiries. By writing well-crafted prompts, you can ensure that the AI responses are accurate and helpful, leading to higher satisfaction. Okay, student. Like this type of I have wrote it in my ChatGPT prompt. So now let me enter press and let me see which type of response it will give me. Now it is giving me student. Wow, that's really practical. But this prompt is engineering only for people who work in AI tech fields. K. Not all. Here you can see it give me like this. Here you can see it. Now it is giving me K. Not all. While it is especially useful for AI professional prompt engineering has applications For anyone who interacts with AI tools, which is becoming more common across many industries, for example, teachers can use it to generate lesson plans or creative activities. Marketers can craft engaging ad copy for analyze trends. Even individuals can use it for plan their schedules or draft emails. The key is learning how to ask the right question or provide the right instructions to get the output you need. Okay, now student is saying that makes sense. Does this tutorial require any programming knowledge? Does this tutorial can require programming language? Okay, not at all. This tutorial is designed for beginners. You do not need any prior knowledge of programming. It focuses entirely on how to communicate efficiently with AI through prompts, which is a skill anyone can learn. Student, great. I'm looking forward to diving in. How long it will take to complete the tutorial? Okay. The tutorial is structured to be concise but comprehensive. You can complete it in about 2 to 3 hours, depending on your phase. Plus, you have an actionable exercise to practice and reinforce what you learn. Student, perfect. I'm excited to get started. Okay, that's great. Let's unlock the full potential of generative AI together. So, this type of response has been came up with the ChatGPT 3.5. Okay, ChatGPT continues with our example, providing a question and answer in the same area of conversion. So here you can see this type of output has been give me by the ChatGPT 3.5. So like that you can do it using the ChatGPT 3.5. So here you can see it. In today's video, I told you about in the ChatGPT 3.5 what are few short prompting. So I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please like this video, share and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to all the notification bell also never miss any feature related videos about the ChatGPT 3.5 or generative AI. So now I'm using next lesson next video I'm using like the type of videos of the generative AI. So now for today, and do not forget to access my generative AI playlist, and do not forget to bookmark it also. So but anyways, I'm using necklace and next video I'm making like that type of videos. So for today, goodbye.